ShoreMaster Canopy Frames. Your boat, your investment. Protect it. A traditional canopy frame from ShoreMaster will keep your boat clean, dry, and ready for adventure while helping to maintain its value year after year. ShoreMaster's traditional canopy frame provides strength and features hand welding to reduce maintenance. A deep, rounded design with a shallow pitch allows you to tuck your boat completely into the frame for superior protection from sun and wind-driven rain. Plus, ShoreMaster's vented ends provide breathability to inhibit the buildup of mold and mildew. ShoreMaster's Hip Roof Canopy Frame. ShoreMaster's Hip Roof Canopy Frame is designed to provide superior protection for your boat with clean, modern lines. The pitch of ShoreMaster's Hip Roof Canopy Frame helps to shed rain and moisture, while its welded construction makes it incredibly durable and easy to maintain. The Hip Roof Canopy features a lower profile than traditional canopy frames, offering premium protection without sacrificing lakefront aesthetics.